with Jeel Patel, Episode 4, Perfecting Pronunciation. Greetings, language learners. You're tuning in to Learn English with Jeel Patel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a crucial role in effective communication. Clear and accurate pronunciation can enhance your speaking skills and help you express yourself more confidently in English. So let's explore some essential tips for perfecting your pronunciation. Tip 1, listen and repeat. Immerse yourself in English by listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation. Pay attention to the sounds, rhythms, and intonations of English words and sentences. Tip 2, practice phonetics. Familiarize yourself with the phonetic symbols used to represent English sounds. Practice pronouncing individual sounds and words using phonetic transcriptions to improve your accuracy. Tip 3, focus on problem areas. Identify specific sounds or words that pose challenges for you and focus on improving them. Use tongue twisters, minimal pairs, and other exercises to target problem areas and enhance your pronunciation skills. Tip 4, record yourself. Record yourself speaking in English and listen to the playback. Pay attention to areas where your pronunciation may need improvement and work on refining those aspects. Remember, mastering English pronunciation is a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Stay tuned for future episodes where we'll continue to explore various aspects of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing and never stop striving for improvement. This is Jeel Patel signing off. Goodbye and happy learning. Thank you for tuning in to Learn English with Jeel Patel. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more language learning tips and inspiration. See you in the next episode.